guys, it's Kurosix Lucas back with another episode of Tekkit. I think this is episode 8 or 9. Today I wanted to build a mob grinder over here, so first, I'm gonna show you guys the progress that I did off camera. Okay, so let's go down here. Okay, so everything here is the same. Kind of did that decoration. Dig some of this out. I already have like a mob grinder. I'm gonna need to light some of this up. And I'll do it later. Okay, so first thing is just here. We need to go get some coal. We're kind of taking a break from the jetpack today. Just to make this go. Okay, so let's get all this down. Well, I wanted to, let's go check my, what's it called? Sugarcane farm, and then, where did I put that? Did I put it down here? Yes, I did. I need to like AFK down here sometimes just to get the sugarcane to oh my god. Okay. I wanted to enchant some books because we so many levels, and then like put the books all like. Oh wait, we need an anvil still. Forgot about it. Maybe I'll go mining next episode. I can still enchant the books. I'll probably do that next episode. That's what I can only do like 2 minutes, right? Let's just make the books and enchant them. Oops. Okay, there are books. Okay, so book 1. Efficiency 1, okay. Okay, sharpness 1. Perfect. Whoa, where'd you get that? Oh god, it hurt. A lot. Okay, so let's just throw you. Here's our mob drop chest. This is just in here for a little. Okay, so let's eat you. I might like take a break from this next episode if we don't finish it. Because I know we won't finish it. Probably not the best idea to do this at night. Yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. Zombie, creeper, zombie. Zombie, creeper, zombie. Oh, I want to kill that Enderman. Now, pew. Oh, God, right above his head. Oh, barely got him there. Let's collect our arrow. Okay, now mob grinder time. Okay, so I'm gonna go get some wood for the chest. We're gonna need hoppers too. I don't think we have iron for that, but I'm not gonna finish it today. it's just really slow. No, you're so annoying. You make me so slow, no. Okay, so I think we want it right here. My god. Do we have something under here? Or was it above? I put it inside out. Yeah, that's under us. It's definitely under us. Okay, so first let's make a crafting table really quick. Okay, now it's you into these and then you into these and these. Okay, so there were 2 chests. Oh, bing bing. I will need a trap chest for that. Okay, and then for now, here, I'm gonna make 1 hopper. Because I'm pretty sure we only need, well, we will need 4. Okay, so we have 1 in here. Dang, we don't have enough. How are we gonna do this? Okay, I think I'll just place like a block there to represent the hopper for now. And then, well, first let's just get building, so. Because I want to save as much cobble as I can. They're gonna die right here. Okay, so that'll be the hoppers soon. Okay, so I need to go. So this 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, 25. I don't want to risk dying, so. Aha! That was not smart. Okay. So we need to get up there. I might just cut right here and then, yeah. I'll be back once all dish is done, so BRB. Okay guys, I'm back. I just finished doing this and I made a trap chest and now I think we're gonna go in for a little to get the hoppers. And I placed down these slabs so like if anything manages to survive the drop, we can slay them, like if they have armor. Oh dang, we're out of arrows. I can't wait till we get the anvil. Okay, so we're gonna, oh yeah, so we can turn this into something I wanted to do either next episode or the episode after that. Explore the brand new ravine that we found like 5 episodes, so it's not so brand new. Come at me, I dare you. If you want me, you're gonna have to get me in here. I'm not not sure if I've shown you guys the spider spawner I found, but I found one. And it wasn't too hard to find. I think I broke it. Yeah, I definitely broke the spawner. Oh man, I totally forgot I had the zombie spawner. I can make a grinder there. No one needs just rotten flesh. Like, that'd be useless. I mean, it's like the only food source we have, but useless. Stay up your water. No, stay up your water. I think we'll end it off after we get those apples. Cause I'm pretty sure I've been going for quite a while. And like maybe I'll suck up all these other things off the camera. Okay, so that was 7 iron. Okay, we need... So this is 1 hopper, we need 4. So we have 2, so that's 9, so that's almost 2 hoppers. Beast. Whoa. What was that from? I don't think we'll find any iron in here. I think we have to go down in our cave. Or stripped mine. Okay, so we need a... I'm just gonna get all the ores I find, because I need mine up. I'm gonna make an ME system some episode. But I know that's gonna be a pain. At least I think it is. Do we even need yellow ore? I don't think we even do. This copper's so easy to break. Okay, so we're gonna be rich with copper. So, that's good. Wait, is this iron? Nope, 10. Oh, why is iron so hard to find for us? Oh yes, we really need coal. We don't really need it, but we could use some more. Sorry about that, it was just like the vent behind me. The zombies are making me nervous. Really? Only 2? Die. Okay, should we keep team? Dang, this cave is massive. Okay, so we have 13. Okay, so we have at least... We almost have 3. Okay, we just need 1 more ore. Now we need... Eat my thorns. Oh, this seems like my army. Is gold the same as iron? The helmet must be. Oh, dude, we're like out of food. Okay, we need I want to make an automatic chicken cooker next episode. That's definitely what we're doing, because we need food ASAP. Like, ASAP. Like, I'm just gonna kill myself. Yeah, see, as you can see, guys, I died trying to do the grinder thing. Okay, so now we have all this. I think I'm gonna end the episode up now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this pretty cool episode of Tekkit. It's not pretty close. Kind of just grind to get some stuff. We got a bit of levels. We enchanted. We got some iron. We might be able to get the